People often call Goan fish thali one of the most affordable meals you can have in Goa. But what if I told you you're looking at one of its richest? Because a Goan thali isn't just a plate of food. It's generations of recipes, seasonal ingredients, family traditions, village life, and a way of eating that quietly tells the story of Goa. Every home has its own version of a prawn curry. Ask 10 Goan families and you'll probably taste 10 different recipes. Some use more coconut, some swear by more kokum, others add a touch of tamarind. None of them are wrong because recipes here aren't measured in spoons. They are remembered through generations.
मस्का सांगू मागीर मिरसांग वांटपा जाय सोय कांदो हरी मिरसांग कोथमीर मिरयां आनी आमटाण हय करया मरे
आता बांगडे भरून तळप ही एक स्पेशलायज डिश आशिल्ली. ही चडशी सारस्वत समाजा कडेन ही डिश आशिल्ली. भरिल्लो बांगडो म्हणटा तो बांगडो घेवन वेवस्थीत निवळ करप आनी बांगड्याचें फोडप आनी तातूंत भितर आपलो घरा कडेन केल्लो मसालो आसतो तातूंत भितर भरप आनी बांगडो भाजप. गरज पडल्यार केळीचें पान गुटलावप आनी केळीच्या पानाचेर तो भाजप आनी ती एक अल्टिमेट बांगड्याची डिश आशिल्ली.
It's one of those dishes you won't easily find on restaurant menus. Not because it's complicated, but because it belongs where so much of Goa's best food still lives, inside family kitchens. Every sweet carries a memory. This one is called Donne. Simple, soft, made using coconut and jaggery. The kind of sweet many Goans still remember from childhood. And then comes Patoleo, prepared specially during Nag Panchami and Ganesh Chaturthi. Rice paste, fresh coconut, Goan jaggery wrapped inside fragrant turmeric leaves. And as it steams, the leaves infuse the sweet with an aroma that's impossible to recreate any other way.
बाजारांतली तवशीं किसतां आनी शिजले काय ना भितर मागीर धापून दवरता मागीर जाता. जाली आतां 100 वर्सां तरी जालीं. हा तिगेले मायले माय आवयन दिल्लो पळय तांदूळ कपडा तें उकडपाचें. तो आतां खंयच मेळना. खूब लोक येता हांगा गॅस खंय मेळटा म्हणून म्हाका विचारता. गोंयान गोंयचें जेवण खंयच मेळना. सगळें पंजाबी हाजें मेळटा. म्हणजे सुंगटां हुमण खतखतें शागुती मुगाचें पडया किसमूर बोणयेची भाजी केळ्याची भाजी पणसाची भाजी गोठाचें सासव हें तुका वेवस्थीत तुका खंयच मेळना. सोलाची कडी ही जेवतगर वापरली न्ही पिली न्ही तुका जेवण बरें डायजेस्ट जाता.
One of the biggest misconceptions about Goan food is that people think they've already tried it after spending a few days eating butter chicken, paneer tikka and Chinese food in Goa. The reality is, those dishes tell you very little about the cuisine that grew here. Real Goan food is seasonal. It's shaped by rivers, by the sea, by village gardens, by Catholic, Hindu, Saraswat, Muslim and Portuguese influences. And perhaps most importantly, it is still preserved inside Goan homes. When everything finally comes together, a Goan thali isn't trying to impress you. It isn't extravagant. It isn't plated for photographs. It's balanced, comforting, seasonal and honest. Every bowl, every flavor and every ingredient belongs there for a reason. Maybe that's why the Goan meals don't feel like restaurant food. Want to experience authentic Goan food beyond the restaurant? Join us on Soul Traveling's farm to table culinary experience and discover the stories behind every meal.